Good morning. Today we're going to unbox the Makerfire VR006. It comes in this nice little case with a pseudo carbon fiber finish. Let's open it. We have the manual. They should come in useful. We have some accessories, the antenna, the USB charger, some wiping cloth, and a foam piece for the nose, I think. The strap. And the goggles. So it's pretty small. Control buttons. RP-SMA antenna. This is exactly like the Ishin VR006, except for the display, which is 800 by 600. Let's turn it on. There you go. Let's try it with a quad. Nice. As you can see, the display is quite good. It's definitely very clear. Let's scan. It's pretty fast. So this is the Makerfire VR006. Exactly the same size as the Ishin VR006, but it has 800 by 600 screen. With the 800 by 600 resolution screen and the case, it's definitely a better value than the Ishin VR006. Thank you for watching.